You know what I realized about foundation after 20 something years of doing makeup? Most of us do it completely wrong. It is heavy, obvious, and like you're wearing a mask that everyone can see. And I was so wrong. And honestly, after trying what feels like every foundation that launched in 2025, there is still only one that consistently wins. This is the best product of 2025. Merit, the Minimalist Complexion Stick. And no, it's not sponsored, though I wish they would. Trust me, when I first used it, I had my reservations. Light coverage, sure, but I figured I would burn through it within a month or so. And I was wrong about that too. From something that looks like it really should last maybe 4 weeks, I've been using this daily for over 6 months and I'm still not through it. But here's what really changed everything for me. It doesn't feel like foundation at all. It feels like better skin. And you know that dream where you wake up and your skin looks perfect? This is that, but real. It has light to medium coverage that you can build up exactly where you need it. And it just breathes. Your skin can actually breathe through it. It's kind of like skincare and makeup had a baby. And here's the thing that really blew my mind. I can use this same stick to contour, bronze, or highlight. Same product, different application. One stick doing the work of 3 products. And when I take it off at the end of the day, my skin looks better than when I put it on. And that's not supposed to happen with a foundation. Foundation is supposed to just cover the skin, not improve it. But this thing does both, and that's the merit effect. Look, I'm not saying it's magic, but it changed how I think about what makeup should do, and it shouldn't hide you. It should just make you look like the best version of yourself. And that's exactly what this does. Thank you for your time. Don't forget, like and share this video, honestly, because I can tell. And if you do, well, I might tell you what that FU in the corner means, because trust me, it's fucking huge.